Hi everybody, so glad to see you all. It is day 27 and I am Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs, where I am showing you 365 days, that's a whole year, of sewing makes. I've challenged myself. I must be crazy. And today, on day 27, I'm very excited to show you New Look 6632. I just love this pattern when I first saw it. I love the way they have it styled here with a sweater knit. You can make it in various lengths, and you can also make an infinity scarf with it. I'll show you the line drawings. You can make it in contrasting colors because it has side panels in the skirt. And I will show you my version. Isn't this beautiful? Doesn't it just make you want to walk barefoot on a beach? That's what this vibe of this dress is to me. That this is one to take to Hawaii or Mexico and just carry your sandals in your hand and walk down the beach. Wouldn't that be great fun? I love this pattern. I made this dress for my dear sister-in-law. She asked me to make a dress and got this material, and I was a little, having expectations. I can kind of cobble whatever together for myself, but to make something decent for someone else, that kind of worries me. But anyways, I made this dress, and I think it turned out really well. It has empire waistline. It has side panels in the skirt. It has pockets. It has pockets. I love a dress with pockets in the front panel. I made the infinity scarf. So it comes with its own lei. So if you go to Hawaii, you've already got that. Isn't that fun? It's made out of a very, very stretchy, I'd call it an ITY from Fabricland. It's quite a thin, kind of see-through knit. So I lined the top, and I'm very, very glad I did line the top. I think that it turned out really well. It has princess seams in it, and just lining it, I think, finished the neckline off really, really nicely, and the armholes. So I thought that worked all really well. And so this dress isn't just for sweater knits. So I would say, without hesitation, that New Look 6632 is an awesome pattern. It's a 2020 release, and I can't wait to make it again in a sweater knit for winter. And the grateful thread I just want to talk about today is only one time did my husband and I ever leave the farm and take a beach holiday, but we went to Hawaii for our 10th anniversary, which was about 30 years ago, but it was wonderful. It was marvelous. It was really, really great. So I'd just like to hear in the comments if you've been on any holidays that you were really super grateful for. So anyway, I hope you're sewing. Maybe you're sewing for someone else. Maybe you're sewing for yourself. I like to hear what you're sewing and who you're sewing for. But I do hope you're sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Talk to you again soon. Bye for now.